How to customize app icons on iPhone, or how you can customize apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can actually customize apps on iPhone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it's very easy to customize apps on iPhone. Let's say I want to change the app icon of the default mail application. So you can see this mail app, and let's say I want to change the icon for this mail app. What I will do is, now it's very easy. I just have to run the shortcuts app. So just go ahead and search for the shortcuts app on your iPhone. It's going to be there by default, and once we open the shortcuts, you'll see all of the shortcuts you've added, and you have to tap on the plus button on the top right. Once you tap on the plus button on the top right, choose the option called add action. So just tap on the add action button, and here you simply want to search for an application called open app. So just go ahead and search for open app, as you can see, and here you can see the scripting app that says open app. So just tap on it. Once you tap on the open app button over here, right over here, first of all you have to select the app which you want to change the icon of. So in this case it was the mailing app. So just tap on this app button, and here you simply want to search for mail. So once I tap on the mail button, you can see Gmail or mail. I'll just select Apple Mail. And what I will do is, after I've done this, I'll just tap on the drop down menu at the very top of the screen, and here first of all I will select the option called add to home screen. Once I select add to home screen, you'll see this kind of option. Now currently it is set to new shortcuts, so I'll just name it to, let's say, new mail. So I'll just give it a new name since this is the mailing app of my Apple device. And once I do that, now in order to change the image, just tap on the app icon over here, select the option called choose photo. Once you select choose photo, you could go to albums or anywhere in order to do that. But once I tap on the add button over here, and if I open the shortcuts app again, if I want to change it to some other icons, not the one on my gallery but some other, then I would have to tap on the drop down menu at the top, and here I can see choose icon. Just tap on that one. Now over here you can see multiple type of icons. Now this is given by default, you don't have to change it to some other. These are the default app icons, and in this case I'll just select this mailing icon or this mailing icon, let's say, and I can change the color respectively. So let's say I'll leave it to purple, and I'll tap on the done button. Then I'll tap on the done button. Then I'll come back to my home screen. Now you can see the new mailing app over here. If you see that the icons has not been changed, what you can try to do is to just remove this first of all, and once you remove this bookmark, just re-add them again. So open shortcuts. Now you can see the open app button, tap on it and tap on this option, and then select add to home screen, and then simply select the option called add, or else you could just go ahead and change the new icon. And once I do that, now you can see we have the new app icons. And that's all it takes to customize apps on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.